Importance of autoresponders, articles and separate web pages in affiliate marketing. In this article we are going to discuss the importance of article writing, creating separate pages for each affiliate product and autoresponders in the business of affiliate marketing. 1. Creating separate web pages for every affiliate product. If you are an affiliate and have a website where you are promoting various affiliate products, you need to know that you should never promote all of the products on a single page or on every page of your website. If you are promoting 3 products, then create 3 different pages. Each page should be used to promote a single product. Add a brief introduction and review of product, along with the benefits and properties of the product. This way your customer will be more convinced, which will bring more chances of making sales. On each separate page of your affiliate product there should be a top heading that should define clearly what is on this page. Then, there must be a short review. This review should be brief and no more than 500 to 600 words. You can add some pictures of the product. This is a good method to increase your search engine rankings and also helps to increase the sales. It will be good if you can add some comparative study. You can compare your product with the other same type of products present in the market. You should highlight the properties that are not present in the competitors' products but are present in your product. State clearly if your merchant is providing any free service with the purchase of the product. These services may include the free installation service, free delivery service, free maintenance, or money-back guarantee. These will increase the interest of your visitors in your affiliate products and will boost up your sales. 2. Importance of autoresponders. Usually the better part of people who will visit your website will leave your website without making a purchase or a return visit. For instance, if 100 people visit your website, one of them will purchase something while 99 others will simply leave your website and will not come back. In order to make these 99 people come back again to your website to purchase your affiliate products, you will use autoresponders. The concept is that it will collect the email address of the visitor and send them free reports about your product. These reports must be interesting, brief, and to the point. Send 5 to 7 emails to each visitor. Each report must promote your product in a different style. In each report highlight a new feature of your product in detail and highlight the conditions in which your products may be really useful. If your visitor is reading your reports, then he may decide to purchase your product because of the information you have given him. Usually people don't read the full features of product, as they have no time. But these mini reports will educate them in really a short time and they will be more likely to purchase the product. 3. Write articles. To increase your link popularity and search engine ranking, write articles and publish them in e-groups. Each article published in e-groups will send the instant traffic to your website. If you cannot write the articles yourself, you can hire some professional writers who can do it for you at reasonable cost. You should submit at least 2 articles per week. Another good idea is to break the article in 2 parts. Publish part 1 in an e-group. At the end of your article, you can say that for more details of this subject visit this site. Here you can give the link of your website. Now publish the part 2 of your article on your website. If your articles are really interesting and informative, then you are expected to get a lot of traffic to your website. And more traffic will really increase the sales of your products. Conclusion. In order to increase your website traffic and product sales, try to make a separate page for each product on your website. Also try to send the weekly reports to your visitors to make them come back to your website. Finally, publishing the articles in the e-groups is a good way to increase your link popularity.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at alsapur.info/webinar.